Hey, it's Kaylee here, and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Welcome to one of my nail polish shelves. This is where my Holo Taco polishes reside. A long time ago, I got a comment asking to see my Holo Taco collection, so I've decided now is the time. I don't want to make a boring video going through each polish one by one, so I decided this would be a bit more exciting. So the first thing I'm doing is taking down all of my polishes. Now, I was focusing on my Holo Taco polishes, so I wasn't really planning on moving anything from the lower shelves. I wanted to reorganize, not to completely change the layout of the shelves, but to add in polishes I've gotten more recently that don't have spaces to fit. Now, I have my polishes organized by type and then by color. It goes base coats, multi-chromes, cremes, linear holos, chunky holos, flakies, miscellaneous, and finally the toppers and top coats. Okay, the shelves were a bit dusty, so I decided to clean them off. Now is the fun part, or at least my favorite part. This is where I will go through one category at a time and add in new polishes and sometimes rearrange if necessary. So these are my multi-chromes, and I'm just adding in my newer magnetic multi-chrome polishes. I find it to be much easier to organize by color when all the polishes you're organizing have the same formula. Cue the polish organizing montage. Now that I've finished adding in the new colors, I count how many polishes I have. I took out 4 duplicate polishes I had on the shelves, and I ended up with 120 Holo Taco polishes. Now, I clearly can't count, and I calculated for 4 shelves when my nail polishes are already taking up 6 shelves. You'll see this issue come up in a little bit. And to add to my bad math, I even removed the polishes from this shelf just in case. But as of right now, I'll be putting 24 nail polishes on each shelf. It didn't take me long to realize that 24 polishes would not fit on one shelf. No matter how many times I tried to push the nail polishes to the side, I was able to get everything up except for this one. And that is when I recalculated to fit my polishes on 6 shelves. So now I'm only putting 20 polishes on each shelf. Now, I filled my lower shelves back up and the reorganizing is complete. That gives you a bit of a quick and simple view of my Holo Taco collection. If you want me to go through every single polish I have, I can, but only if people ask for it. Thank you for joining me on this little adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. I also hope you have a phenomenal day, and I will hopefully see you in the next video.